Hello everyone, my name is Pulkit and today we are going to start with the Liquid UI components. Without wasting any more time, let's build an alert box using the Liquid library. In this video, we are going to implement two types of alerts, alert box with a heading, or you can say L alert with heading and L alert without heading. Let us code for now. To get started with Liquid or to use Liquid app and its features or its components, just import Liquid UI to your project, and also to wrap material app with the Liquid app, as it's one of the most important things. Without it, Liquid component or any of its feature won't work. To build an alert box with the help of Liquid library, just make use of alert widget. It holds many other features like heading, text, child, on-close function inside the alert heading part. Now that's easy. Here we are done with the alert without heading and with heading as well. To learn more about alert or any other Liquid component, just go to Liquid Expo or liquid.stackorient.com. The link is mentioned in the description. So I think this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel to get the latest update on technology, algorithms and coding problems. And you can also press that bell button to get the latest updates. Thank you.